Hey guys, and welcome to KnowledgeBase. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode within Google Chrome. There are a couple of steps to doing this, so make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. And if it does help you out, make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe. So right now we need to be on Google Chrome, and the first thing you want to do is head over to the URL box and you want to type in Chrome, and then you want to type the colon, then the / twice, and then you want to type in flags. So it should look like that when you're typing it in, and then we can click on go. And it's going to take us to the flags. I'm not sure what that is exactly, but it's basically the experimental features within Google Chrome. Now what you want to do is search for dark mode, and then click go. And you're going to see some options here that we can change. You can change the Android web contents to dark mode, and that's going to basically change all of your search results to dark. Or you can change the Android UI dark mode. So click on default and then click enable, and you can enable both of these if you want a true dark mode experience. So I'm just going to enable both of these, and then you're going to need to relaunch Chrome. So click relaunch now, and it's going to relaunch Chrome. Now the chances are it's not going to change it right off the bat. If it doesn't work properly like straight away, just cancel it and then close it again and then reopen it. So now you can see everything is dark and Chrome is fully in dark mode. If we just go back to Google, we should be able to see that. So you can see all the contents is dark. Also, if we open up a new tab, you can see that's dark as well. And that's basically how you can turn on dark mode on Google Chrome on Android. If that video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, guys, and make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.